Today students, I'll explain trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. So let us take a right angle triangle ABC, right angle at B. Now when angle B is 90 degree right angle, then sum of angle A and C should be 90 degree. When the sum of two angles is your 90 degree, it means they are complement of each other. So here angle A plus angle C, that is equals to 90 degree. So angle A and angle C are complement angle. So angle C equals to, that is equals to 90 minus angle A. We can write 90 degree minus angle A. Okay. Now for the angle A, for angle A, BC is the perpendicular. P equals to BC and the base is AB and the hypotenuse is your AC. H equals to AC. Then what are the trigonometric ratios? Sine of angle A, that is equals to perpendicular by hypotenuse, P by H, that is BC upon AC. Cos of A, that is B by H. What is B? AB. So it is AB by AC. And tan of A, that is equals to P by B, and that is BC by AB. Now cosec of A. Cosec of A is your reciprocal of sine of A, means that is AC by BC. Now sec of A, that is reciprocal of cos A, that is H by B, so it is AC by AB. And cot of A, that is reciprocal of tan A, so it is B by P, so it is AB by BC. That is reciprocal of this one. Now for angle C, that is equals to 90 degree minus A. So for angle C, perpendicular will be AB and the base will be BC and the hypotenuse will be the same, that is AC. So for the reference angle C, that is P equals to, perpendicular for C is AB and the base is BC and the hypotenuse is same AC. Okay. So sine of 90 minus A means sine of this angle C, that is your perpendicular by hypotenuse. What is perpendicular here? AB. AB by AC. Cos of 90 minus A, that is base by hypotenuse. What is base here? BC. So it is BC by AC. And tan of 90 minus A, that is equals to P by B, and that is, what is P here? AB. So it is AB by BC. Okay. Now we have got sin 90 minus A, cos 90 minus A, tan 90 minus A. Now what is cosec 90 minus A? That that will be reciprocal of the sine 90 minus A. So it is AC by AB. Then sec 90 minus A, that is your reciprocal of cos 90 minus A, that is AC by BC. And your cot 90 minus A, that will be reciprocal of tan 90 minus A, that is your BC by AB, reciprocal of this BC by AB. Okay. Now compare these two. Which two? Sine 90 minus A, this all this 6 with this all 6. What do we see? Sine 90 minus A, that is equals to AB by AC. And here you see AB by AC is cos of A. So we can write this is equals to cos of A. Sine 90 minus A is cos of A. Then cos 90 minus A. Cos 90 minus A is BC by AC. Now BC by AC is here sine of A. So we can say it is sine of A. Then tan 90 minus A. Tan 90 minus A is AB by BC. And AB by BC, you see here it is cot of A. So it is cot of A. Then we have got sine, cos, tan. Then see cot 90 minus A. Cot 90 minus A is BC by AB. And BC by AB is your, what is that? Tan of A. So this is tan A. Then sec 90 minus A. Sec 90 minus A is AC by BC. And AC by BC, that is your cosec of A. So it is cosec of A. Then last is your cosec 90 minus A. Cosec 90 minus A is AC by AB. Now AC by AB is here sec of A. So we get the result sine 90 minus A is cos A, cos 90 minus A is equals to sine A, tan 90 minus A is cot A, cot 90 minus A is tan A, sec 90 minus A is cosec A, and cosec 90 minus A is sec A. So this is the result that we use. Now it is true for angle A lying between 0 degree and 90 degree. So 0 to 90, this is true.